How can you turn your stress into calm and boost your thyroid health at the same time? Did you know that stress can significantly impact your thyroid health? But don't worry. Today we're diving into how imagery therapy, aka guided imagery, can help transform stress into serenity, promoting a healthier thyroid and a happier you. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are subjected to constant pressure and stress, which can have profound effects on our health. Among the many possible repercussions, thyroid disorders stand out as particularly insidious, as they can remain unnoticed until they significantly disrupt one's day-to-day life.
Trust me, you'll want to stick around because at the end, we've got a game-changing tip that you won't want to miss.
Many people don't realize that their thyroid, a small butterfly-shaped gland located at the base of the neck, plays a crucial role in their overall health. This unassuming gland controls your metabolism by releasing hormones that influence nearly every organ in your body, affecting how you gain or lose weight, your energy levels, and even your mood.
Unfortunately, thyroid disorders like hypothyroidism, where your thyroid doesn't make enough hormones, and hyperthyroidism, where it makes too much, are becoming more common.
Symptoms of thyroid imbalances include fatigue, weight changes, and mood swings, which can dramatically alter one's quality of life. Compounding these serious health challenges is stress, which can wreak havoc on your thyroid function. Stress has the uncanny ability to disrupt your body's hormone balance, contributing to thyroid dysfunction and aggravating symptoms. This creates a vicious cycle. Stress exacerbates thyroid problems, and these hormonal imbalances, in turn, elevate your stress levels. It's a challenging loop, and unless addressed, it can lead to ongoing health issues. According to the American Thyroid Association, managing stress effectively can actually help improve thyroid function. But therein lies the challenge. How do we tackle stress in a way that effectively breaks this cycle? Traditional methods like medication and diet changes are important, but they can be strongly complemented by stress reduction techniques. Enter imagery therapy, a therapeutic approach that focuses on mental visualization to induce relaxation and lower stress. This technique is being increasingly recognized in both alternative and conventional medicine for its powerful impact on reducing stress and enhancing overall well-being, potentially easing the burden on your thyroid and breaking the cycle of dysfunction. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our latest videos. So what exactly is imagery therapy, and how can it help your thyroid? Imagine you have the ability to mentally transport yourself to a place filled with peace and tranquility, even amidst chaos. This isn't science fiction. It's the practice of imagery therapy, often referred to as guided imagery. It's a technique that involves the use of visualizing serene, positive images and scenarios to foster a relaxation response in your body. Imagery therapy taps into the power of your imagination and senses to facilitate healing and stress reduction. Here's the magic of it. When you visualize calming images, your brain doesn't fully differentiate between a vivid mental image and the real experience. This activates a part of your nervous system responsible for rest and renewal, the parasympathetic nervous system, triggering a cascade of physiological responses that lower stress hormones like cortisol. Elevated cortisol, often dubbed the stress hormone, is known to play a significant role in worsening thyroid disorders by disrupting thyroid hormone production. Imagery therapy is more than simply thinking good thoughts. The process involves immersing yourself in an entire sensory experience. You're not just seeing the image in your mind, you're feeling it, hearing it, and embracing it with all your senses. For example, envisioning a walk through a peaceful forest not only involves seeing the green canopy, but also hearing birds sing, feeling the cool breeze, and smelling fresh pine. According to research from Harvard Medical School, mind-body techniques like imagery therapy can significantly lower blood pressure, ease anxiety, and improve overall stress management. Studies suggest that even short sessions of imagery therapy can reduce stress and promote feelings of calm. Dr. Herbert Benson, a pioneer in mind-body research at Harvard, notes that practices inducing the relaxation response can enhance healing processes and balance hormones, like those involved with thyroid regulation. So how can you start incorporating imagery therapy into your routine? The beauty of this practice lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to carve out huge chunks of your day to see benefits. A few minutes can be enough. You can practice while lying in bed during a lunch break, or even taking a quiet moment on a park bench. There are audio guides available that take you through different scenarios, helping your mind focus and relax. Beginning your journey with imagery therapy might feel strange at first, but like any new skill, it becomes more comfortable and more effective with practice. Visualization can lead to improved mood and energy levels, eventually influencing other aspects of your health positively, including thyroid functioning. This power of the mind-body connection opens a new avenue to explore in managing not just overall wellness, but specifically in ameliorating stress-induced thyroid issues. Now, let's experience imagery therapy for stress relief together, which can benefit your thyroid health. Sit comfortably, and if you can, close your eyes to remove distractions. Begin by taking deep, slow breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your abdomen expand. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow each breath to relax you more deeply. Picture yourself in a beautiful, ancient forest, a place where time seems to stand still. The ground underfoot is soft and welcoming, cushioned by pine needles and rich moss. A gentle stream flows beside your path, and the soothing sound of running water fills the air, mingling with the chirping of birds and the wind whispering through the trees. Feel the warm sunlight filtering gently through the canopy, dappling the forest floor with pockets of light that dance with the breeze. With each breath, imagine this serene forest surrounding you, absorbing any tension or worry you might be holding. Every step you take is light and peaceful, akin to floating. Let the scent of fresh pine and earth bring a sense of renewal and grounding. Touch a leaf or feel the rough texture of a tree trunk with your hands, knowing that you are a part of this beautiful, living landscape. With every inhalation, picture your body's cells basking in light and positive energy. Let each exhalation release any stress or negativity. Watch it drift away like leaves on the stream. Imagine your thyroid gland, this tiny powerhouse in your body, thriving, balanced, cradled in peace and wellness with each calming breath you take. Hold this visualization as long as it feels natural, focusing on gentle breaths and enjoying the tranquil refuge created in your mind. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present, carrying with you the calm and the serenity from your forest. Imagery therapy is a skill that grows more profound with practice, improving your ability to manage stress step by step. By allowing yourself these moments of visualization woven into your daily life, you not only nurture a sense of peace, but actively promote your thyroid health and overall well-being. To sum it up, stress can take a toll on your thyroid, but using imagery therapy as part of your stress management toolkit can make a significant positive impact on your health. It's all about providing your body with the right environment it needs to thrive. A serene mind supports a healthy body. If you found our exploration of imagery therapy helpful, let us know your thoughts in the comments below and share your experience with this exercise. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out our other videos focused on wellness and stress management tips to continue your journey of health and balance. Until next time, take care.